Hi everyone, so in this video I want to tell you how you can earn from Igbo Class. We have 3 ways in which you can earn from Igbo Class. The simplest way is using your referral bonus. Remember, whenever we click on a dashboard, whether you're on desktop view or mobile view, if you are logged in, we always see this dashboard. So if you click on dashboard, it takes you to your dashboard page. So I always have my earnings. So in this my earnings, when I click on it, you find that I can see if there's any earnings so far, my history, payout, and so on. So I think I have available earning of 73,750 in Igbo Class. So when you scroll down, you even see any earnings you have. Then this is important, which is one way of earning, meaning that you can copy a referral link. If I click on it, you say copy to clipboard. So once I copy my referral link, I can share it to friends, share it on status, and advertise it. By doing so, anybody that comes to Igbo Class, registers and make payments using a referral link, you are making, I think, about 15% or to 20%, I can't remember, 15 to 20% of whatever the person pays. So that's one way of making money in Igbo Class. The other way to make money from Igbo Class, like I mentioned, I will just sign in. So when you refer somebody, if you come here, total referral, you start seeing that it will change to 1 when somebody signs up. Then when the person makes payments, that's when you start seeing what the amount will start coming up. Then the next way for you to earn from Igbo Class is simply by going to shop, meaning that you can create a product on your own. So it's very simple to create a product. All you need to do is what? Fill in the product's name, the description of the product, category it belongs, tag, you can add a tag, then go to product details, which you can add any product details, then upload the image of that product, then set the price for the product, then submit for approval. So once admin approves your product, that means anybody can buy the product. So I think we have a percentage. Igbo Class takes, you make your own profit from that. Then the third way to make money from Igbo Class is from learn and earn. So this learn and earn, when you click on it, how it works. So you find that it's warning you that learn and earn, this is not a gambling or get rich quick scheme. So meaning that anything you are doing it for the fun that you get in the learning process. So you need to be a learner to enjoy learn and earn. Don't come and think that it's just for you to make money alone. So the entry fee for learn and earn, if you are the first time user, is 3,500 naira. So the entry fee for learn and earn, if you are a first time user, is 3,500 naira. Subsequently, which is at the end of each cycle, so learn and earn has 14 days cycle. So when a cycle ends, if you are joining the next cycle, you will now be paying 1,500. You will not pay 3,500 naira again. So subsequently, you are paying 1,500. So currently, learn and earn is paused, but how it works is that they have minimum amount of people that will join before it will start. Then once it starts, you find that it's more engaging. You need to be completing some social media tasks. Then you need to go to Proverbs, study some things on Proverbs. You need to go to question bank. They have question bank. You can go to the question bank to learn some Igbo words, answer some questions about Igbo language. Then daily quiz opens from you find that random questions comes within this window, 6 to 7 a.m., 12 to 1 p.m., 5 to 6 p.m., and 9 to 10 p.m. So this different time questions are coming up for people to do what? Answer. So as you are answering them, you are getting a point. So when you are among the top 20 in the list, you win something from learn and earn. So these are 3 different ways you can earn from Igbo Class. Either you are doing referral, or you can upload the products in a shop, or you can do, if learn and earn is active, you can register for learn and earn. So it's normally 14 days cycle. So it's counting down 14 days. Within that 14 days, you are building your points through learning daily, learning from the question bank, answering different input questions, that comes up within this open windows, then completing some social media tasks. So those are the ways.